Good morning and welcome back. It is March 13th, 2025. It's Thursday. It's 6:30 and the market's open. We are waiting for our first 5 minutes, get some levels set. We have a relatively easy day today. There's some news at 7:30 for crude oil. It's a yellow label news event. So it should be pretty smooth sailing after our first 5 minutes. Our levels are set. We'll wait for our break and our retest, and hopefully be done, fairly early. So let's wait for these first 5 minutes. All right, it's 6:35. We have our levels set. We're gonna have our 5-minute high right here, our 5-minute low right here, along with our pre-market high, and let's see, pre-market low right here and previous day low. This upward trend looks like it was broken, so I'm gonna move that to here, no, I'm just gonna get rid of it altogether. Let's see what kind of trend we make right now. Okay, we are having super strong price action. Broke through our 5-minute low right now. Getting some decent displacement right now. I want to see us test up into this level with candlesticks closed below our 5-minute low, and then we'll hop into a short. It might be a super quick day. If we have strong price action with a candlestick closed red below here, I'll be hopping into a short. Alright, so this 5-minute break and retest is invalid. We had a super strong candle of the buyers stepping in, breaking through our 5-minute low. We do have a larger downward trend happening right now. As you can see right here, it's following this from all the way back from yesterday. So we're getting lower highs here, which is overall indication of the market going down. However, we do have this upward trend that hasn't been broken yet because we have a higher high right here, higher high right here. So we're coming to a little bit of a breaking point. We'll see. Getting some stronger price action to the downside. I want to see another break below our 5-minute low to show that the sellers are starting to step in. We're getting candlestick closures above our 5-minute low right now, though, with some wicks starting to grow, showing that this is a nice little support level with the buyers that are kind of holding this level right now. We do, however, still have this downward trend to have to break through. I always look for 3 touch points, so 1, 2, 3 right here, 4 touch points to indicate whichever direction it's kind of going into. The buyers are starting to get exhausted, you could tell. We had this huge build up right here with the sellers stepping back in, brought it all the way back down. The sellers kind of claimed this one, making it red. We'll see how this candle reacts and how it closes. Last ditch effort of the buyers here. The sellers really stepped in hard. Having this large of a wick, I want to see the sellers are going to really step in right now. We're going to see, we'll probably break this low of day right here once we knock out all the rest of the buyers that were holding this level of the 5-minute low. Let's get some better displacement. There it goes. Cool. Now let's just wait for our retest back up into our 5 minute low right here, and then I'll hop into a short with candlestick closure below our level here. I'm going to give it a minute because I don't like how the buyers really stepped in to almost push this above our 5 minute low right here. We'll see how this candlestick closes and reacts and then hop into a short. This very well could just pop right back above our level here and knock us out. It looks like the sellers are stepping back in. Okay, cool. I missed that on my entry here, which is fine. I'm gonna wait for this candlestick to close. Does look like the buyers are trying to take it back over.
Order submitted.
The buyers are really starting to step back in. We need to see candlestick close below our 5 minute low. If not, then then it's invalid, and we'll see the buyers reclaim this level here. I also got a really bad fill. I jumped in way too late. This is another retest of our 5 minute low. I probably could have waited for it to come back up here and fail, like it's kind of doing right now. Let's see it break below this. We have a lot of buying pressure stepping back in right now with that wick looking like this. I'm hoping the buyers exhaust themselves here and the sellers start to reclaim it. But we're getting these like fat green candlesticks. We are approaching our first take profit. I need the sellers to really reclaim this level right here. Sellers are starting to lose steam a little bit. We might see a little bit of a pop back up and then another leg back down. I would love to see this just cut right through my first take profit.
Target. Order canceled.
Nice. Okay, we hit our first target. Move my stop loss below our entry so that even if it does come back up to here, I won't lose too much money, but sellers are really stepping in hard right now. I want to see them at least have a little bit of reaction at our pre-market low right here and then call it for the day. I mean, we're up close to 40 points around this area right now. I'd like to see 60, but I mean, we're getting a little bit of reaction upwards. Buyers are slightly stepping in, trying to reclaim it, but the sellers are, looks like they're holding out here. It'll just be a matter of time, maybe a couple more minutes before we cut through our second take profit. I don't mind moving my stop loss up to that.
Target fill. Order canceled.
Blew right through it. Awesome. All right. We blew through both of our take profits for the day. Blew right through our pre-market low, and we're reacting to the previous day low. I'm done. I'm up over $800. So I'm going to go back, review the trade. probably I got a little FOMO, jumped in on this candle right here, this green stick candle. I missed out on this. I could have jumped in right here, but I didn't really like how much buying pressure came in with this candle, with this wick, this candle. Next time, I'd be better off waiting for a retest back up into the 5-minute low again. This is a proper retest right here, and if I would have hopped in here, I would have had more than our 40 to 60 points that I closed out on. So regardless, the sellers never lost this level right here. The buyers never were able to reclaim above our 5-minute low, which allowed us to stay in and just have this clean move downwards. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.